Now let's take a closer look at these pen blank notebooks. Here you can see the three most popular sizes: the extra large, the normal size. This is more or less like most of the notebooks. And the small size, this series we got here is actually a recreation of old covers. For example, here we've got a, can we focus it? This is a cover from the 16th, a recreation of a cover from the 16th century. This is a recreation of a cover from the 19th century. Let's take a look here. This is a cover more or less from the year 1800. This is a Renaissance from the 16th century, a Renaissance cover. Another nice cover. Let's see from which time this dates. This is from the Renaissance too. Okay, these are recreations. Here we get another one, a recreation of an old cover. As you can see. And they even got some modern style covers. Okay, this is the series which recreates, more or less with the exception of the modern cover, recreates old style binding. And we got another series. This one is in the style of the Gutenberg Bible. In this case, this closes magnetically. You can see this old style binding, and they even got some Coptic binding, as you can see here. This is the Book of Kells cover. This is probably the most famous part of the page of the Book of Kells, the Hero page. Here you can see this X, which is the He, and R. You get here, and another. This one we got already here. This is the same. Another interesting page from the Book of Kells. So these books come in different bindings. As you can see, the nice part of the Coptic binding is that it can lay absolutely flat. As you can see, they use different papers. We come to this part. You can see this is a more opaque white. This is the white paper. Let's see what. Yes, here they use the white paper too. Another extra of these books is every book gets its small pocket, and at the end of the book and they come with this band. These calendars, diaries even come with 2 bands, and they too have this pocket, and these come with an extra booklet where you can write down telephone numbers. Okay, this is these come in different styles. As you can see, this one has a vertically arrangement, this one too, but for example here you get all the week, every week on one side and just a few lines on the other side, and this is the third alignment. You can see these are more or less the 3 different layouts of the calendars. For example, this one is of the year 2015. These are the notebooks. Here we get another notebook, and these are the larger notebooks. As you can see, if you have these aligned, it gives a very nice picture. So everything expertly binded. Let's take a closer look here. You can see here everything is really binded. As the most easiest way to see this is in these books. You can see perfectly made. And to close these books, you've got this rubber band. These are the 2 different styles. I've got at hand this one with the magnetic style of closing, and all these have their rubber band. Okay, you have seen some really expertly made books, and as you can see here, they use the newer editions use the paper from Italy, from Fabriano, which was the first place where they made paper in Europe in the 13th century. Okay, yeah, let's pass these. You can see this is really nice to look at. to make notebooks in this very elaborate style. Okay, in the third part of this series, we're going to take one of my fountain pens, the Flex and Wet pen, which takes every paper to the extreme. Okay, so stay tuned for the next video.